white flower for Mambingang. Ayan. Hindi tayo pipitas. This white flower is for Mambingang. Thank you so much for coming. So, meron ditong iba-ibang kulay na divider. So, may taxi dito na kulay green, black, at may kumakain sa park. So, ayun, may nagdadasal sa kanina sa Turi. Nagdadasal siya, ayun. Walking si Dragon Sasori. So let's go back na to my condo unit, mga konnichiwa people. And andito po yung maraming mga sasakyan. At dahil laging nawawala ang aking live, I will stop na and I will go back to my condo unit. Thank you so much, Anchi. Anyong haseyo. Kane kazeyo. Ani haseyo. Kane kaseyo. What's the meaning of that, sir? Anchi. Anchi! Thank you so much for coming. Arigato gozaimasu. Anyong haseyo. Kane kaseyo. And thank you so much, SSCTV. Yan, we have pink flower here. I will give flower for you. Anyong haseyo. This flower is for you. Anyong haseyo. Kane kaseyo. Anyong haseyo. Ewan ko sa'yo. Ayan. Thank you so much for coming. Flower for you. Kane kaseyo. Tawid tayo dito, tawid. I cannot buy anything. I don't have wallet. I cannot buy anything. I don't have wallet. And besides, even though I have wallet, I cannot buy anything because my wallet is empty. So, meron po dito kayo makikita. We have here public telephone. Ayan. Still, we have public telephone. Still, we have public telephone. So, ayan. Let's go over there. And we'll show you here. Punta tayo dito. And we'll show you different hotels in front of my condo unit. And that's my condo unit. And then the other side of the railway are many buildings. We're in lots of hotel at this place. Ayan. So that's my condo unit. And on the other side of the railway, here are lots of building. Ito pala yung building na nakikita ko sa terrace ko. Ayan. So, ikutin natin yan. Iikot tayo sa kabila ng railway. And that's my condo unit. Dito tayo sa kabilang